A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its consistency. Many of us have intensity, passion, and mania to achieve our goals, but we don't have consistency. Strong winds can topple mobile houses. Strong winds can damage our roofs severely. Strong winds can blow out windows. But one thing is unmoved and undisturbed.
He talked about consistency, which means we have to do something on regular basis to get the desired results. And he stole the show, Alhamdulillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable ulama ikram, respected chief guests, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hafiz Khalid Khan, and I am asked to deliver a speech on consistency. Before I begin my talk, I want to seize this opportunity and extend my heartfelt thanks to our beloved trainer Maulana Aqib Safi Qasmi sir for teaching me English in an amazing manner and instilling confidence in me to stand and speak here. Dear friends, without any further ado, let's get started. If you go to the gym, you work out, get back to your home and look in the mirror, you will say nothing. If you go to the gym the next day, you work out, come back to your home and look in the mirror, you will say nothing. So clearly there are no results, are there? If we don't see results, it must not be effective, so we quit. Or if you believe that going to the gym regularly is the right course of action and you stick with it, if you commit yourself to this act of doing exercise regularly, if you are consistent in doing exercise, believe me, a day will come. I am not sure exactly when, but a day will come, you will see a significant change in your body shape. You will start getting into shape. Going to gym for 9 hours does not get you into shape, but working out every day for 20 minutes gets you into shape. It is not about intensity, it is about consistency. Many of us have intensity, passion, and mania to achieve our goals, but we don't have consistency. Consistency, istiqamat, is vitally important to make our dreams come true. Consistency in progression will get you out of recession and depression. Dear friends, let me give you one more example. Have you ever witnessed or experienced a hurricane? Have you ever faced strong winds? Strong winds can uproot big trees. Strong winds can topple mobile houses. Strong winds can damage our roofs severely. Strong winds can blow out windows. But one thing is unmoved and undisturbed. That is a mountain. No matter how strong the hurricane is, no matter how heavy the winds are, no matter how fierce the thunderstorm is, but a mountain does not budge an inch, and a mountain is never damaged. This shows how strong, steady, and powerful a mountain is. But there is one thing that can break mountain. That can break mountain, that can cut through mountain, that can make its way piercing the mountain. Do you know what is it? It is water. It is water. It is not just water, it is the consistency of water droplets that can cut through mountain. We see many rivers making their way cutting through mountains. A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its consistency, perseverance, istiqamah, regularity, punctuality, perseverance. Dear friends, do it again and again. When consistency of raindrops can create holes in the rock, you can also do wonders with consistency. Mark my words, whatever is difficult can be done easily with regular attendance, attention and action. I am not here to motivate you. Motivation does not last long. Consistency does. Consistency does. When you look at people who are successful, all of them have one thing in common, that is consistency. You will find that they are not the people who are motivated, but they are the people who have consistency in their motivation and actions. Hence, with consistency, we can also learn anything, we can master any skill, we can overcome any problem. Our nails grow every day. Our hair grows every day. Do we realize it? Do we see our nails and hair growing? No, but it is happening. In like manner, we have to work on our works and skills. We don't see results on the day 1, on the day 2, on the day 3, but eventually we will master the skill. Islam also advocates for consistency in a'mal. There is an authentic hadith which says, أحب الأعمال إلى الله تعالى أدومها وإن قل. The acts most pleasing to Allah are those which are done continuously, even if they are small. There is a famous Arabic proverb, Al-istiqama fawq al-karama. Consistency is more important than and superior to miracle. Jazakallah friends. Thanks for paying heed to my speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah, that was amazing, phenomenal, wasn't it? Language का जुनून है, जज्बा है, and he stole the show, alhamdulillah. And he walked the talk. जो बोल रहा है उस पे अमल करे वो. He talked about consistency, which means we have to do something on regular basis to get the desired results. जो भी काम करें पाबंदी से करना. One fine day while I was coming, he also lives in my vicinity. मेरे घर के करीब रहते हैं, बाबा नगर के हैं नो. I was going to institute. I saw him riding his bike. चला रहे हैं कैसा, सामने पढ़े पेपर रखा, पढ़ते भी जा रहा है. I told him, look ahead, सामने देखो. Better late than never. देर से क्या मसला नहीं है, ओके? तो इतना जुनून है पढ़ने का उनके अंदर. गाड़ी का टाइम वही हेडफोन लगा लेके सुनते रहते, लेक्चर्स वगैरह चलते रहता हमेशा. So when you put in such efforts, जब आप ऐसी कोशिश करेंगे, you can speak like this.